Dealing with debt and collections is never easy, especially during uncertain times. COVID-19 has meant that many consumers are in financial difficulty and struggling to meet borrowing commitments, which is often linked to mental health and well-being problems. As consumer debt grows and increased regulatory focus is put on lending, retail banks are looking for ways to support and educate customers whilst improving internal processes to drive better, faster resolutions. Many banks have made a significant investment to improve collections operations over the years, but have struggled to help vulnerable customers and tackle the rising levels of debt. At Cognizant, we've developed a framework that leverages data and AI to enhance banks' current systems and processes to improve lenders' ability to support and retain customers whilst managing costs. We call it Smart Collections. Data shows that a personalised collections experience is the most effective way for lenders to secure outstanding payments. Smart Collections puts the customer first to understand the right contact to reach out to at the right time and on the right channel. This is achieved through an effective data modernisation plan driven by AI that leverages both lag and forward indicators to create a truly personalised approach. Taking this smarter approach to collections can lead to a 15% increase in payments, a 20% increase in productivity, and a 20 basis point improvement in NPS score. Smart Collections is focused on understanding individual requirements, including where vulnerabilities lie, to develop an engagement strategy that speaks to the customer's needs whilst maximising lenders' chances of recovering debt. Smart Collections by Cognizant.